In this video, I want to talk about how you can cancel one item on Temu. So to do this, you want to keep in mind that if the order has already been shipped, you're not able to cancel it, and then you have to wait until you get the item, and then you should be able to return it. But if it has not been shipped yet, then you might be able to cancel it. So you need to be fast to cancel it, otherwise you're not going to be able to do it. But what you want to do is you want to head over to your profile, go to your orders, find the order, and there should be something called order details. And over there will be a button called cancel. Then what you can do is click on the cancel and select which ones you want to cancel. So if you only want to do one thing, then you can cancel that one thing, and that is how it works. Then simply just follow the instructions that pops up, and after you've done that, it should be cancelled and you'll get the refund. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.